Hi all, this is a tutorial about how to access and set up a Google Meet for your classes. So hopefully you can follow these steps pretty simply. The first thing that I would do is find your apps tile, which is this little waffle icon up here, your Google Apps. I would click on your apps and I would go to your Google Calendar. You can go directly to Google Meet, but that's a little bit trickier to save those directions and protocols for signing in. So I like to use Google Calendar to get there and schedule things. So I go up to my Google Calendar. Even if you don't use Google Calendar, it should be set up there for you anyway. So you'd be able to easily create new events on there. If you've never used it before, it's actually easier to do it this way because you won't be cluttered up with other things. Everybody has a personal calendar. It should be highlighted right there. And mine has a lot of other things on it already. Yours may be empty. That's okay. You click somewhere approximately with where you want to host your Google meeting. So here about 11 a.m. tomorrow, I can click on that and I can say read along with Mr. Rediker. Title your event so you know what it is. You can change the duration, you can change the time. You can even leave the guests blank if you want to. That's totally fine because I will show you how to share this out with your class if that's what you're hoping to do. You can add guests by email address if you want to, and they'll receive that as notification in their inbox as well. So click on location or conferencing, set up, just click add conferencing, and then you can actually copy all of this information. You can just copy and paste this. And if you copy that, you could even copy the phone number too. So people could call in. You need this PIN number as well. But you could copy all of this information as well and paste that into Google Classroom. So I'm going to just copy that for now. We're going to skip live stream for now. But if you want to record and distribute information, but you don't want students involved in the conversation, you can click on add live stream. And that will be just a way to disseminate something through that platform with them instead of having them interacting in that, if that's something you'd hope to do to maybe simplify. And save. Once you can go to your other apps, you can go down to your Google Classroom and find whatever Google Classroom that you're working in. It could be multiples if you want to invite multiple groups. But if you go to your Google Classroom page, you can then just create this as an assignment or a post. I'll put this in here as an example in my course stream. I'm going to click in here and I can just paste it and give them some sort of directions, so I can say here at whatever time, date, etc. to join class. And at that point, it may be more comfortable for them too to take the link and copy it and add it in here as a link. Add link, and then all you would do is come over here and post this. If you want to schedule it to go out at a certain time, you can also use the scheduling tool to post it so that it goes out maybe right before the meeting starts instead of having to be there, having that meeting open for them ahead of time. So that's a little safety protocol there as well. And then all you have to do is post it. And then the simple task for you is same as the students. You have to go and click that link, or you can come to calendar and click that link as well. It's all embedded right there. All you have to do then is click the link to join that event. I hope that helps in setting up a Google Meet. If you want to join a Google Meet and open it up to more access, I will highlight one piece here that is handy. A lot of people like the idea that you can have a inside of Google Meet, you can join. I'm gonna mute that microphone for now. Oh, maybe that doesn't work. We'll see. And you can actually change the way you the screen. So if you click the three dots over here, you can change the layout. So you can set it up as tiled so that you see different panels of people on your screen. So that way you're not looking at them in a little sidebar. You're looking at them all around the screen, many people at once on there. So again, if you want to do that, to the bottom, come down to three dots and click on change layout, and you can see different areas of people on a screen at the same time. If you can turn on closed captions, you can phone in instead of being online, but all of that would be beneficial for you as you are working with your students. I'm going to hang up that call because it's weird in my double cameras, but I hope that that's helpful for you. Once everybody leaves the meeting, once the last person leaves the meeting, that room is now closed. Students should not be able to rejoin according to the new Google settings. Hopefully that's helpful, and good luck. Let me know what you need.